Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working on my Toyota Camry. So we're going to be cleaning the interior. Let me tell you, that interior seems like nobody's cleaned it in 30 years. It smells like a 30-year-old car and there's just so many things going on. So let me show you how it looks inside. Okay, so let's get this clear. Even though this is my car, I didn't let it get this dirty. Ever since I bought the car, I haven't cleaned it. I don't know, the previous owner or whoever owned it before me just probably hasn't cleaned it in the entire lifespan. Okay, well, maybe in the last 10 years, maybe that's a little bit more accurate. So maybe in the last 10 years, he hasn't cleaned the interior. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today, cleaning the inside, because believe it or not, I know this car is a lot different than the other cars that I have, but I mean, that's why I love it so much. So here I have everything that I'll be using for this interior cleaning today on the Toyota Camry. I know that it looks like a lot of things, more than even if I was washing the car or when I cleaned the engine bay, but I promise everything here serves a purpose. So let's start here with my carpet extractor. Now this is brand new. This is going to be the first time today that I'll be using it. I'm pretty excited for it because I've watched videos and I've read online and everyone has just great things to say about this. I also have my steamer. You guys saw me using this for the first time when I cleaned the engine bay on the Toyota Camry and I absolutely loved it, so I can't wait to use it again. I also have my IQ9 foamer. You guys have seen me use this many times when washing wheels, but right now I have carpet cleaner in there, so it's diluted 20-to-1 with water. I also have shop vac. I have my pressure washer. No, I won't be washing the outside of the car today, but like I said, it does serve a purpose. So I have my hose. I also have some degreasers. So this is some degreaser left from when I cleaned the engine bay, so I'll be using that as well. I also have some interior cleaning solution. Now this is only for the plastic inside the car. I have my drill and a drill brush along with a smaller one here. So this is pretty much just to clean the carpet, the seats, and I do have a bigger one and a smaller one depending on the area that I'm cleaning. I also have this brush right here. So this is pretty much just to get into any little nooks or crevices where I really can't go with the vacuum and there's most likely like any dust or dirt underneath there, so I'll just use that to get that out. And I have my microfiber towels. So with all that being said, now let's get started with this interior cleaning. So first I'll be starting off by cleaning the floor mats and then I'll move to everything inside. So now the carpets are clean. I mean, as best as I can get them. Let me just show you all the dirt that came out of it, which is all of this right there. So all of that was accumulated on the carpets. The only thing is that I really do like how the carpet extractor works, but halfway there it kind of just stopped working and I was a bit confused, like, okay, well, what's going on? But then I took a look at it and it turns out that you have to empty it if it gets all the way filled with the dirty water. So this side is the dirty water and here's the clean water. Let me just show you here. This is after I emptied it. So this is the dirty water remaining there, but you do have to empty it once it gets like around this measurement here. But other than that, it worked awesome. I absolutely love it. And you know what, to be honest, I probably could have skipped out on cleaning these floor mats just because, I mean, they're already in horrible condition, especially this one. You could see the wires showing. But either way, I'm gonna end up getting new ones. I just wanted the hands-on experience because now I'll have to do this inside with the carpet in the car and the seats. So now that we finished with the floor mats, let's get to cleaning the interior so then we can finish off with the seats and the carpet as the last thing. So I just finished cleaning the doors, the center console, as well as the dash. And meanwhile, my steamer is getting warm because I will be using that next. Let me just show you how it looks inside. All right, so now these are the doors. Now the doors, honestly, they weren't too bad. It was just pretty much dusty and a lot of dirt. Now this is how the inside looked. Now I can't really say the same thing for the center console because that was actually pretty nasty in there, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. Now there was some sunflower seeds there, which I noticed there's also some sunflower seeds on the carpet here towards the back, so maybe the owner really did like sunflower seeds. But either way, here's the other door. Now like I said, they weren't too bad. They didn't have any nasty or any gross stains there. It was just mostly dust. Now here's the other door. Like I said, nothing much going on here. So now that I finished with this, I'm just gonna go in with my steamer. So I'm just gonna go on the doors, the dash, and the center console. So basically everything that I did. So just go through it really quick and then dry it off, and then we can finally move on to cleaning the carpets, and then lastly we'll finish with the seat. Also, if you may have noticed, I am losing daylight just because I decided to start a little bit later in the day. I really don't want to be doing this while it's 90 degrees outside, but I do have a solution for that. So this right here is off from the passenger seat and also the passenger floor mats. And I also had to empty this out like 5 to 6 times throughout the entire time cleaning the car. But yes, look at this. This is all dirty water. But now that I'm done, you know, I have to say that I surprisingly liked it. I enjoyed it. I honestly didn't think that I would enjoy cleaning a car that was this dirty and going into like this deep level of cleaning, but surprisingly enjoyed it, like taking something that's a complete mess and just giving it a complete makeover. I don't know, maybe I should make this a thing or something. What do you guys think? But now that I'm done with it, I think I did pretty well for it being my first time getting into this deep level of cleaning and my first time cleaning a car that's this dirty. Whoever owned this car, maybe, I don't know, they got into a coffee fight because there was coffee like in every single seat, especially in the back carpet. It wasn't too hard to come off in certain areas, but in other areas it kind of took some time to come off. But I don't know, let's see. I think I didn't do so bad for being my first time, but I'll reserve my judgment until tomorrow when it's daylight and I'll see it better. Now that it's the next day, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how the car looks. I'm a bit nervous, but very excited. Let's see. Okay, this looks very clean compared to how I looked before. This is such a difference. It's like night and day here. You can actually see how it's gray, especially with these floor mats. These were just filthy, but you can actually see the gray, even though this one I need to throw away because, like I said, once again, this wire. But for now, I'll leave it. I have to order new ones for the car. But look at this. These seats were like brown, like with brown spots because, like I said before, seems like they had a coffee fight. But now you can actually see the charcoal color. And even this center console was so filthy. What a difference. It looks absolutely great. It definitely doesn't smell like how it used to before. One thing is that I did vacuum this cover, but I think I want to go in with some soap. I want to go in with a carpet extractor, but I'll do that some other day. Let's see the back now. I'm so happy with how this looks so far. Wow, even this, it looks like a million times lighter than what it used to before. What a difference, guys. This was like so dusty. It almost seemed like someone just left this car in the desert with all 4 doors open, and I don't know, it was like a sandstorm that came and just left the car with dust everywhere. But these seats, wow. I'm so happy with how it looks. So this area right here under this floor mat, so there was a huge coffee spill here, but this area was pretty easy to remove. Now the other area over there under the floor mat, there was a coffee stain there. That one gave me a bit of an issue, but now I'm so happy. This car has already come a long way, at least in the interior. I didn't find any bugs, luckily, as I was cleaning it. So now I feel a lot safer to come and drive this car and be inside it. I'm very happy with the results and I really enjoyed cleaning the car. Now it looks completely different. But now we finally got the interior cleaning out of the way. It's time to get to the fun part and start with all of the mechanical work that needs to be done. So I did show everything that the car needed in a previous video. So time to get started on that. So expect those videos soon. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.